okunukwe abazana hamwe n'abahagizi ba Weldon School bajaguza bwa nyuma y'ifurembe ya Hamuheru ubwo baheza kusinga Center College na goli 16-15 umufinal za netball. Ogugwaba guryo murundo gwo kubanza Weldon kusinga chikopo cye cyanga cha Ankore ubwo ari kusinga Center abamazere myaka na ekuratine bari kucitwara. Bwa nyuma y'umuzano coach wa Center College Hamza Katende yayikirozo kusingwa kandi we Hamza Cheyune owa Weldon yasima Ruhanga.
Twalize wa mu final tebadembi abawala side zombi baloleseza omutindo nti at least balina kye bayinza okudisplayinga mu game. They have learned netball, they can play netball, and in all kubako lose and the winner. Today away round tetubadde ba winner tuyinza okubanga kituluma naye Katonda watu wabageze nika tusubire tibajja building irawo.
Omuvolleyball yabishiki St Bridget yayegaruze chikope eki bwa nyuma yo kusinga yabwera nyanji n'ubwoba bibiri aharuzura. Omuvolleyball yabojo Weldon nayo yasingure chikopo cyo kubanza bwa nyuma yo kusinga yabugamba SS n'ubwoba bibiri aharusha. Reverend Canon George Katunji owabo mujenyi mukuru kandi akagabana ebikopo yahabara bejo kukoresa kurunje ntaranta zabo ezo Ruhanga yabahire.
Really to appreciate God for giving you that talent, and I want to encourage you that you use that talent profitably. You use it profitably. It makes you fit, and at the same time it makes you meet different people and you become friends.
Aloysius byamukama na Timothy Mushabeno bakushakira makuru aga ku rugo muri Ibanda.